Welcome back everyone, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our colored wheel trim kits for the Can-Am Ryker. Today we'll be showcasing 3 different wheel accent kits for the Can-Am Ryker, all 3 of which have been specifically designed for the Can-Am Ryker wheels and are available in either real carbon fiber as well as over a dozen different color options. The material we use is UV coated for protection against fading and is backed with high-strength 3M backing tape so that once installed, your wheels will look as though they've been custom painted. As you can see, when compared to generic vinyl products on the market, there's really no comparison to the Toughskins product on both material thickness and in bond strength. So the first kit we have is the 15-piece outer wheel trim kit. This kit goes around the circumference of your wheel to add a sporty pop of color. The second kit we have is our 15-piece inner wheel trim kit. And this kit will fit around the inner circumference of your wheels, just below the spokes. And then finally we have our single spoke 3-piece accent kit. This kit's designed to accent 1 spoke on each wheel for a unique look while the Ryker is either parked or in motion. Now I'd recommend washing the surface area of the wheel until it's squeaky clean and free of dirt, grease, and other debris, and then hitting the adhesion zone with an alcohol swab and letting it dry for a couple minutes before hitting it again with another alcohol swab before you start adhering the trim. This will ensure that you get maximum adhesion to the wheel surface. You'll also want to do this with the surface area between 72 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit, as the tape doesn't like to stick if it's frozen. Now let me walk you through the installation process of each kit so you can see just how simple this is to do from home. As you can see, once these wheel kits are installed, they add a unique look to your Ryker that will be sure to set you apart from the pack. Now, if any of these 3 wheel kits interest you, be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today and pick up a set for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time.